to my apartment tour. Okay, so this is obviously empty. When I furnish everything, we'll do all the home decor content, but I just wanted to show you guys my new space, my new home, and this is gonna be a very quick video because, yeah. So this is a hallway closet, pretty big. I feel like this is gonna be a catch-all, but in a neat way. So there's that. This is the next living area. I'm gonna figure this out because this space is so long. Like from TV, from one wall to the other, there's a lot of space. So maybe some plan. I don't know. I'll figure it out. So the next room is going to be the studio. This is how big this is. And there's a lot of echo because it's empty in here. This is where a lot of the magic for this channel will continue to happen. It's gonna be studio / office. So I don't know if I would have, like, to make this the beauty room because me and my brother will be sharing it. So I don't know. But that's the general idea. So let's go see the washer dryer. We talked about the kitchen already? The kitchen. I'm gonna be doing a lot of cooking here. It's a lot of cabinet space. It's just really, this kitchen is bringing me so much joy, okay? I love it. In the meantime, I think I'll be filming right here before we get the studio together, before, I put everything up. So yeah, it's a really beautiful space. Nice lighting coming through. Oh, that light turns on. I know that thing. So, laundry room. It's just interconnected. Washer dryer sits here, so it's very simple. Washer dryer. I'm so glad to have this. I am so glad to have this. Like, every little room I move into, I'm like, oh, something that's making this apartment really great. Thank you, it's mine, okay. So, yes. That was really harsh. So, something keeps going off, and we can't figure out what it is. So, this will be my brother's room. I'm sure this is gonna come out, because I don't think he wants a chandelier. But, maybe. I'm not touching anything in this room because, it's going to be my brother's room. And this will be his office. I'm not sure if he has a lot of stuff, but I'm sure he can add a dresser if he wanted to. But this is that. I feel like people, usually when people do like empty home apartments, are they usually like glammed up? Because this is it. I'm just moving in like 30 minutes ago. So, So let's see the first bathroom. Oh, whoever was here, they left us tissue. So, what is this called? Whatever this is. Cabinetry, pill, whatever. But I like the finish too. And this has a tub. So bathroom number 1 has a tub. It's a nice basic bathroom. It has good enough space. Yeah. So my favorite part, the best part of the apartment, my room. So let me walk you through. This is gonna be my space. I'm gonna do a lot of stuff in here. I want to have like a nice chair here where I can have morning tea, morning coffee, meditate, anything like that. My bed fits perfectly against this wall, so that's what's gonna happen. And for the rest of the space, I'll figure it out. But there's also a beautiful view into the skyline of New York City, so yeah, it's pretty beautiful. more close. Judge yourself. Thank you. But it's pretty big. It's pretty big. I feel like in the city, apartments of this size exist, and people actually live in closets. Next and last is the bathroom. My bathroom. I have a lot of space. Like, not a tub, but that's totally fine. But I have a lot of space, and so, I mean, toilet, basic. I have a lot of space on here. I'm gonna try to make sure I'm putting not all of my skincare, but majority of it. And if I'm gonna change this because no, absolutely not. I want to get daylight in here, so if I want to do my makeup, I can have a chair here and do my makeup here. And skincare makeup, because it's just me. But this is pretty amazing. And I have a lot of space down here to put a lot of stuff. And that is it. As I do home decor stuff, obviously, I'm gonna upload all of that. Shopping for stuff. Y'all will see all of that, and then once all of that is done, each room, and then I will do a final, maybe not final, but I will do a apartment tour, like a furnished apartment tour. I think that's what I'm gonna call it. I don't know, but yes. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.